are you doing?
Taking your wheels off.
Why?
Decided we're gonna go get your car ready for Coyote Shootout, the NA class.
And when did you tell me this?
Last night. And we've got how many days to the Coyote Shootout? 3 days?
Yeah,
3
realistically,
days.
because you really can't work on my car Thursday because I have class all night. So you really have today, tomorrow, Friday.
So we're gonna get your brakes done tonight, and then we have to get all the crap out of your car.
Yeah.
Because you probably have like 200 pounds of junk sitting in there at least.
Probably. So that's what we're gonna do tonight, and then what are we gonna do tomorrow?
Well, you said we can't really work on it on Thursday, right?
Yeah, because I have class till like probably 9. I mean, I could come by, but Justin be like, eh.
Well, you need to get your get the cat deletes done. You need to do that too.
I'll try and do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't flood.
Nah, dude, this storm, they said it was supposed to put 10 inches down. It hasn't done anything.
Oh, you know, it's still like chilling on the coast right now.
I mean, I guess.
So how long does this take to put the brakes on?
What?
How long does it take to do brakes?
What?
How long does it take to do the brake conversion?
I don't know. Give me like an hour.
Okay, I'm just asking.
Why are you upset?
Oh my god. Did you find it?
Did I find what?
Did you find the tools? You still trying?
Wrong size.
So we're doing the front and the back?
No, just the front.
Oh, just the fronts?
Yeah.
That's what you have on yours, just the fronts?
Yeah.
Okay. So y'all really drove all the way to Bombshells? And it wasn't...
We're not going to talk about that.
You don't think your wheels will fit on my car with my springs?
The rears won't for sure.
Too big?
Yeah. If I had my 28-inch tire, then yeah, it would work. But
So you have 30s or?
they're 29 and a half.
Oh, they're the big boys.
Yeah. I don't know how well it's gonna work with your car being NA. Do a lot better with the smaller tire. I feel like I've done this before in your car. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, you did my springs.
Do you do anything on your car?
No,
Oh, okay.
I'm broke and I'm dumb and I'm... Yeah.
That's what I'm here for?
Yeah.
That's where I'm at, and you're where you're at? Because that's where you're at?
Yeah, I'm your IT help.
Oh. I don't need any IT help.
Yeah, you need Adobe for me.
Oh, yeah. You're right. Thanks, Adobe. This is not sponsored. Justin's going to be up there before we are.
Oh,
He's going
Friday?
Friday, I believe.
Are they racing Friday or no?
They're going to Extreme, I think, to test out some cars.
So he'll meet us there.
We'll meet him there.
Whatever.
I think there's a proper term.
What?
I think that's the proper way to say it.
I don't do English.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Brakes. You.
I feel like it's a 10. I don't know, man. My dad is judging silence. I get told that by women a lot sometimes too. I don't get it. I don't know.
You said it, not me.
Hey, man. I don't know.
So Jesus, or Jesus, he put Roush
Side splitters
on his Shelby.
on his Shelby. Yeah. Well, he's trying to get, because it's a... Yeah. It's a 11 to 12.
Shelby.
500.
So
And he's trying to get it to look like the
14.
13, 14. Yeah.
I thought he was gonna get rid of his GT 500.
I don't know. I guess not.
He was talking about he's gonna go into the race truck, but
Oh, yeah.
that was like around Christmas time.
No, he's still talking about getting the truck.
Like that one?
Yeah.
That's a nice truck, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, this thing's gonna...
Oh, sh**.
What?
So loud.
Yeah, I kind of fell over. Brake fluid's so hard.
It sat out there for like an hour. So those are your brakes?
Yeah, I should probably get the
That's what
rotor.
That's what Baer sent you?
Yeah, that's the new one. 2.0s instead of their 1.0 crappy ones that they sent me that failed.
And the CEO hooked you up.
Yeah. Got new fancy bolts.
They sent you a plate cover too. Look at
that. They sent me all kinds of stuff this time.
They love you.
Yeah.
Not sponsored, by the way.
Yeah. This one says right. Sure it really does. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. You see, it's just a 6 finally put his motor together.
That's how he was working on it.
Well, I think he finished it up.
Really?
He's in LA for the week or some shit like that.
Oh, yeah. Whatever they say, it goes, coach. Give me that bag. This is on your foot. Yeah.
I need the storm to go away. My knee's like...
Is it hurting?
It feels like there's like something building up beside my knee and it wants to just blow up.
Yeah, that don't sound too good. Okay, so
I'm just happy I got my access code today.
Yeah, remember how I did this last time?
Oh no. I got a question.
Yeah.
How much are these brakes?
$1,000 bucks. So don't mess them up.
You're gonna go and drive the car, not me.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I'll drive it a little bit. I want to test it at the track. Yeah.
You do or you don't?
I do. I want to.
Oh, okay.
I want to drive it.
I mean, that's what I would do ultimately.
Go buy a Shelby.
That's a lot of work. A lot of money.
You can't lie though. That Shelby that's twin turbo is really nice.
Okay. Now I got a question.
Oh no.
Didn't they?
Did y'all figure out what happened to what's his face's car when it made that noise?
Who?
Was it named Logan?
Oh, his ball joint popped out.
Oh.
Yeah. It like just pulled into his storage unit, and like right as he was about to pull into his actual unit, the
Ball joint popped out.
the ball joint just popped out. Yeah.
Holy crap! Those are so small.
What?
When you compare them.
Oh yeah. A little different.
Great time to change the brakes when it's raining, right?
You'll be fine. If you just, slightly run into the back of somebody, it's okay. It's alright, man. It's the first time for everything.
So, I remember Justin was talking about the converter. It makes it launch harder.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like you can go higher up and launch more power out the hole.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully we'll get like if we can get like a 1.5 60 foot out of it, that would be ideal. But I mean, it should. Silver looks really good with the car, by the way.
The Bears?
Yeah.
Oh, so what you're saying is I need to buy some?
You can just buy these off of me if you want.
And you have to buy more?
Yeah.
Over here trying to be a salesman.
Hey, man.
Now you need to buy this converter. You need to buy these wheels.
Yeah, buy all my stuff.
You need to buy... What else? What else could you make me buy? I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to go to the muffler shop. Go get my cat's cut. That's gonna be $100. Pay Justin to tune my car. That's a few hundred.
What's up, dude? Get your new brakes installed?
Yeah.
Let's check these things out. Woo! Looks good. Looks good, buddy. You like them?
I do.
Yeah?
I don't know if I'm gonna buy them.
You're gonna buy them?
I don't know.
You gonna buy them off me or what?
No, that's a lot of money.
It is a little bit of money. But already go do your little test run and make sure they're working and everything.
Okay.
We'll go from there. We just installed the Baer 2.0s. That's our first little process of getting his car ready for the Coyote Shootout here on Saturday. We got 3 days left. We still got a pretty big job with the converter to do. And then after that, it's going to be tuning, two-step, and he's doing cat deletes in the morning. So, should be a nice little contender for Coyote Shootout. He's just going to the gas station. Test him out, make sure it stops. Looks like it stopped pretty good. Feels different, huh? Let's you just go ahead, you want to move over like behind the gate there, I guess, and then we'll pull my truck out of here and lock up the shop. Thank you, Justin at LPF, for letting us use the shop after hours to install these brakes real quick. What are you doing? Hey, park outside the gate, not inside the gate. Park outside the gate so we can close the gate and we can get out of here. What are you doing, man? I was confused.